Well, we are going to find out about plants and how they grow in different seasons, that the seeds grow into the plants, and that we get many different plants, and the plants have different parts, that we eat these different plants. They are the fruits and the vegetables that we eat. We will also find out that plants are ready to eat in different seasons. We have 4 seasons. In spring, plants begin to grow after the very cold winter. In summer, there are lots of flowers. The leaves on the trees are green. In autumn, the leaves begin to turn yellow, orange, and brown. Some fruit and vegetables ripen in autumn. In winter, it's very cold. Some trees have lost their leaves. What season do you think is the most pretty? Talk about what you like about the season. Why did you choose it? Is it perhaps autumn because of the color of the leaves? Is it the beautiful trees who've lost their leaves and they're standing like silhouettes in winter? Or is it the pretty blossoms that we see in spring, or all the gorgeous flowers in summer? Talk about what season do you think is the most pretty? And why did you like the season you chose? Now let's look at the different trees. Look at each of the pictures and decide which of the pictures belongs to which season. Have a look carefully. Which one do you think is A? Is it winter, summer, autumn, or spring? Which season is B? Which season is C? Which season is D? Are you ready to say? So what did you decide for A? Summer. I heard you say summer. That's fantastic. Now let's think about B. What season is B? The trees are all brown and dark. Which one should we choose? What did you say? Oh, yes, you said winter. Well done. Now look at the trees. Which one is C? C is spring. Fantastic. Well chosen. Now let's do D. What season is D? Which one is missing? Autumn. Well done. That's fantastic. Why did you make the choice you made? Why did you think A was summer? Look at the picture. Was it because of the leaves and the fruit? And B being winter? Was that because it's a dark tree with no leaves on? C for spring with the new little leaves and buds. And D for autumn, the tree with all the different colored leaves. When plants begin to grow, we need to plant the seeds. So we plant the seeds into the ground, and then the seeds begin to grow. They grow into the little plants. The little plants we call seedlings. These plants then become big. Once they have grown for a long time and are full of fruit and leaves, they then begin to produce a crop. The crop might be fruit or vegetables. Plants begin to grow these crops. Plants grow these crops that we can eat them. What is your favorite vegetable? Talk about that. Why do you like a particular vegetable? Why should we eat fruit and vegetables? What do you think are the vegetables and fruit we should eat most of? Which ones are your favorites? Talk about these 2 questions. Let's look at the pictures of how tomatoes grow. First, the tiny little seed from the tomato fruit that we get. The tiny little seeds inside. We plant those and they begin to grow into seedlings. The seedlings then grow into a full plant. The plant flowers, and eventually the plant gets the fruit, and the fruit are the tomatoes. Now sit and explain to someone at home how tomatoes grow. Use your own words. Talk about how it grows from a seed all the way through until it gives us fruit. Plants have different parts. We eat different parts of the plants. Let's have a look at what they are. We eat the seeds. Some seeds, like nuts, that we eat. Plants have stems. Some stems are soft and some stems are hard. We eat stems like the stems of celery. Plants have leaves. We eat lots of plants that are leaves. Some of them are herbs like parsley or oregano. What about the spinach leaves? We eat different kinds of leaves. Plants have flowers. We eat flowers. What about the cauliflowers that we eat? Those are a kind of flower. Then we eat the fruit. We eat lots of different kinds of fruit. All of these parts of the plants are above the ground. Do we eat anything that's below the ground? We eat the roots of some plants. What plants of roots can you think of? Maybe potatoes or beetroot? Those grow under the ground. We have different fruits that ripen in different seasons. Not everything ripens in summer. So all the year round, we have fruit and vegetables to eat. We eat different parts of the plants. So we've looked at what they are. Let's have a look at some examples. Potatoes are harvested in autumn or early winter. What part of the plant is a potato? What do you think it is? Is it a fruit? Is it a flower? Ah, you were right. You said it's a root. Yes, potatoes are roots. Let's look at another one. What about carrots? We plant carrots in autumn and we harvest them in spring. What part of the carrot plant do we eat? The orange part of the carrot. What is that? Ah, I heard you say roots. Well done. Yes, the part of the carrot we eat is also the roots. More plants that are different. What about looking at an orange? Well, oranges are harvested in summer. They're a lovely summer fruit. What part of the plant of an orange tree do we eat? Is an orange a flower or a seed? No, the orange that we eat is the fruit. Now we've spoken about different kinds of plants and how we eat them and how plants grow. Ask someone at home if you can help make a salad or a fruit salad. Use tasty plants and vegetables and fruit that are in your fridge. Talk about the different plants that you are going to eat when you've made your fruit salad or salad. Have fun doing it.